In this video, we are going to configure or do packet trace activity entitled implement port security. Then this is the address table, the device. We have 4 devices, the S1 with the IP address of 10.10.10.2, then the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Then the next device is the PC1 with the IP address of 10.10.10.10.10 and the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, and the PC2 with the IP address of 10.10.10.11 with subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, the same of with the other device in the root laptop with the IP address of 10.10.12 and the same subnet mask. What is the objective of this activity? The objective of part 1 is to configure port security, and our part 2 is to verify port security. The background in this activity: you will configure and verify port security on a switch. Port security allows you to restrict a port's ingress traffic by limiting the MAC addresses that are allowed to send traffic into the port. Then, let's start configuring. In step 1, configure port security. Okay, access the command line for switch 1 and enable port security on pass Ethernet ports 0, 1, and 02. Then, let's go to the switch 1, then enable, go to the privilege exec mode, configure terminal for global configuration, and let's see that access the command line for S1 and enable the port security on pass Ethernet in range F01 to 2, because we are going to configure the PC1 which are connected to the pass Ethernet 01 and the PC2 which are connected to pass Ethernet 02. Then press enter, and the next one will be, let's enable the port security by typing switch port security. Then it enables the port security. Then let's proceed to the next step, which is the set the maximum so that only one device can access the pass Ethernet ports 0, 1. Since we are in the interface range of pass Ethernet 0, 1 to 2, then let's continue by typing switch port security maximum 1, so that only one device can access the pass Ethernet 1 and the pass Ethernet 2. Then next step will be secure the ports so that the MAC address of a device is dynamically learned and added to the running configuration. To do that, since we are inside of the range of pass Ethernet, the interface range of pass Ethernet 01, 02, just type switch port security MAC address is T. In this command, the MAC address of the devices connected to our pass Ethernet 01 and pass Ethernet 02 will be learned by our switch. So then let's go to the next step, Set the violation mode so that the pass Ethernet port 01 and 02 are not disabled when a violation occurs, but a notification of the security violations generated and packets from the unknown source are dropped. So to do that, switch port, switch port, for security violation. Then there are three modes: protect, restrict, and shutdown. So we are going to use the restrict mode. And since we are only using two ports, disable all the remaining unused ports. Use the range keyword to apply this configuration first. So we are only using the pass Ethernet 01 and 02, so the rest ports we are going to disable them all by typing interface or int range f0 slash 3 to 24, since we have only 24 ports for our pass Ethernets, and gigabit Ethernet 01 to 2, because we are only having two ports for our gigabit Ethernet. Then to disable those ports, type shutdown, and you can see here that the ports, the the bus Ethernet changed the state of administratively down 03, 04, 05 up to bus Ethernet 024. Then gigabit Ethernet 01 and 02 are administratively down too. So let's go to the next, which is the verify port security. In first step, we are going to ping PC1 and PC2. To do that, go to the PC1 desktop command prompt, then type ping, then the IP address of our PC2, which is 10.10.10.11. You can see that the PC2 replies, or in short term, the PC1 and PC2 are connected. Then let's go to the next step, which is verify that the port security is enabled and the MAC address of PC1 and PC2 were added to the running configuration. Let's see first what is the MAC addresses of our PCs. We can see here that this is the here is the MAC address of our PC1. Then let's look for the MAC address of our PC2. Here is the MAC address of our PC2. Then to see to verify that the port security is enabled in the MAC address of PC1 and PC2, let's use a show command. But to do the show commands, we have to go to privilege exec mode, then exit, then use the show command running -config. Here we can see that in interface pass Ethernet 01, the switch port security MAC address TKR is 00E0BO272245. Then let's see what is the IP address of our PC1. We can see here that the MAC address here in the bus Ethernet 01 and the MAC address of our PC1 are the same. So let's look for the bus Ethernet 02. Then let's take a look if they have the same MAC address. So we can see here that they have the same MAC address too. So now let's go to the next step. Use port show commands to display the configuration information. Then we can see here that the other ports are shut down. Show port security. You can see here the connection of bus Ethernet 01 are restricted and the bus Ethernet 02 are restricted to the port address. You can see here the MAC address of our PC1 that are connected to our bus Ethernet 01 and the MAC address of our PC2 connected to bus Ethernet 02. Then let's do the next step. Attach the root laptop to any unused switch port and notice that the link is red. So let's try it using this straight through cable. We can see here that there's a light red. That means the root laptop and our switch is not connected since our bus Ethernet 03 is shut down. The next step is enable the port and verify root laptop. Then ping the PC1 and PC2. Then let's do it. To enable the connection of our bus Ethernet case, first we have to go to the global configuration, interface, bus Ethernet 03, then no shutdown to enable the connection. And we can see here that the connection is up. The red color is changed to green. It means it is up. Now let's try to ping the root laptop to PC 1 and 2. Ping 10.10. We can see here that it replies. Then the PC2. Now since it is connected, let's go to the next step. To shut down the port connected to the root laptop. So shut down it. Just type again shutdown. Then the connection is now down. Again, let's go to the next step, which disconnect PC2 and root laptop to bus Ethernet 02, which is the port to which PC2 was originally connected. Verify that the laptop is unable to ping. So let's try. Let's try to ping PC1 again. We can see here while we are pinging the PC1, the request timed out. The reason why it is timed out because the port security we configured this connection is sticky to the MAC address of our PC2. Then the next step is display the port security violation. But then let's go to the show. No. Let's go to the privilege accept mode first. Show for security interface 02. Then we can see that there's a for security violation count. Then let's go to disconnect the root laptop and reconnect to PC2. Then let's verify it again by pinging the PC1 and PC2. We can see here that it replies, and that concludes this activity implementation entitled implement port security.